What exactly do I need to do? People ask me this question, and honestly, it's much simpler than you might think. When building this business, we focus on just two main pillars: attracting the right people. Instead of chasing family or friends, we show you how to naturally attract people who are looking for exactly what you offer. A way to earn income online that fits their lifestyle and offers true flexibility. We provide step-by-step guidance so you can build your business with ease and authenticity. Mentorship and support. Once someone decides to start their own journey, your role is to be their guide. It might sound a bit daunting at first, but the step-by-step training, automated system, and tools are already in place. You simply support them in following the same proven steps that you've already experienced. Simple, learnable, and comprehensive support system. If you are ready to see how this could work for you, feel free to reach out anytime. I'm here to share the details and walk alongside you.